Hey guys, welcome back to Cubing 14X. Today, I will show you how to disassemble and reassemble your 3x3. Today, I will be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble your 3x3 GAN cube. So, I'm not sure if other GAN cubes are like this. This is a 356M. So, if you want to disassemble your GAN 356M, here's how to do it. And reassemble. So the first thing you want to do is grab an edge piece. So, it might feel like it's going to break, but trust me, it will not. These cubes are strong. So, it's a tough one. It's just doing it. Okay, here, let's do this one. Okay. Okay, so that took a while. Now you have an edge piece popped out. So it should kind of look like this. And now basically the entire cube can come apart from there. So take out just the edge pieces fairly easily. Corner pieces, sorry. So just continue doing that until your entire cube becomes disassembled. So, okay. Almost there. Oh. Yeah, don't lose any pieces. Just recommending. Okay. And now this is what your cube should look like disassembled. So unless you want to loosen the springs, do not open these because it's kind of hard to put back together after this. So now you have your cube disassembled. Now you can clean, lube, do whatever. So now to reassemble. Reassembling your cube. So you're gonna just look for any piece, edge piece, and just kind of push it into the slot that it should be in. And you can continue to do that for the first layer. So let's just say I want, I'm doing the yellow. So yellow and orange. Yeah, yellow and orange is right here. Yeah, and it might fall apart multiple times. You just have to keep trying until you get it, Sometimes you can make layers and then put them all in. I like to add the corners last because they're just a lot. They're just hard to put in. Harder. I shouldn't say hard to put in, just harder. Okay, so now I need orange. Yeah, I would also recommend organizing these pieces so that you can find them easier. I did not, but I regret not organizing. Oh gosh, it just fell apart. Okay, well, I hope you kind of get the point of how to kind of reassemble. Cause you just pop in the edge pieces, and eventually, I don't know if I'll get it. I hope I do, because this is my main cube, so better. Okay, so I guess I kind of lied earlier. I am gonna put in a corner. I know, shocking, but it's just to secure everything so it doesn't fall out again. Knowing my luck, it'll fall out again. Okay, finally found that correction. Oh yeah, that just kind of ruined it. Okay, well, I hope you kind of get the gist, and I will show you what to do on the very last few pieces. Progress. Okay, so I have all the edge pieces, and I just have all these corner pieces. So, yeah, hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Wish me the best of luck. So in case you were wondering, here is how to insert a corner piece in. I just thought I would say this. So you basically might have to like lift up this edge piece a little. And there's this hole for this piece to go into. And it just kind of pops in, and then you can put this one back down. With edge pieces, they look a little different. You can just kind of push it in, and now it's in. So that's how to do it. So here are the final pieces. So the final 4 pieces. So these are not much different than the others, but the last piece can kind of be hard. Okay, so this piece can go here. Ooh, that was tough. Ah, there's the fish swimming this way. If you haven't seen my how to solve this 3x3 video, go check it out. Okay. Got it in. Got this piece, which goes right here. Oh yeah, here's a recommendation for you. Oh gosh. Here's a recommendation. Leave the corner piece to put back in last. If you're putting a cube back together, leave a corner piece to put back in last because they're easier to do than the edge pieces. Just a little piece of advice. Okay, that can go right there. Now the final piece, here's the corner piece. Watch me totally struggle with this. I'm shaking the camera. I got it. There we are. And now your 3x3 has been disassembled and reassembled. Look at that. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.